I just took it up the road. When I came back and shut it down, maybe you heard that it still tried to run. Yet again, as I get close to finishing something, something comes up. Let's figure out what the heck is going on with this car. Oh! My suspicion is the carburetor. I rebuilt this carburetor probably 2.5 years ago at this point. I do notice that it's spitting an awful lot of fuel. After I shut it down and start it back up, it's acting like it's flooding. I have to hold it to the floor. Ow! Maybe it's a vacuum leak. I don't know just yet. Before anything else, I'm gonna go around and just make sure that everything is tight. That looks a little crusty too. Like I said, this is about 2 years ago that I rebuilt this carburetor, so it's done more sitting than anything else. Let's first dive into that thing because it kind of has a reputation anyway. Oh, that was really loose. Oh no. I noticed this bolt was really loose. Look at that. And to tighten it, loose again. That is stripped. Ow, son of a... Okay, that's hot. That could be a decent sized setback. Well, hopefully there's no metal in here, but we'll see. That should be out. Still hot. All right, let's take a look. Ow, 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 ow. Look at that across there, though. Huh, it almost looks like we have a leak right in here. I bet that's still from that. Well, that's not the fuel issue. That is definitely an issue. Man, I don't want to pull the intake off. That would be a disaster. Let me run a bolt back down here. Well, no, that actually feels fine. Maybe it has more to do with the length of the bolt and the shank, the smooth shank here. Oh yeah, I bet that might have been it. I bet it was just hitting that shank. What the heck is going on out here? Sounds like a plane is like doing acrobatics. Let's see if I have a smaller bolt. I guess one with threads all the way to the top would work. Let me just run this bolt in there to see if this is in fact what's going. Oh, it looks, no, okay, we're still all right. We only have like 12 threads or so, not even that. 8 threads maybe that engage, and then it just goes open. So I'm wondering if that was the issue the entire time, and that would have been just totally on me, obviously. And this one looks to be even shallower from here. I hope that was the issue. This still has some things going on, I think. Let's just take it over and check. Ow, it's still hot. Oh my gosh. The whole shutting off thing and the car wanting to run, I know is not the timing. I've already checked the timing. Let's flip her over. Doesn't look like there's any issue here that would have caused what we were seeing earlier. Let me check these screws real quick. Oh, that is really loose. Well, that's really loose too. Okay, back these all the way out and get some Loctite. It's plenty. It should be good. I don't know if that is maybe our issue. Let's take a good look here. Everything else looks normal. I never get that lucky, so I hope it's that simple. After further inspection, looking down on the hole, of course the threads are just all screwed up. I already knew that in my head. I was just hoping that wasn't the case. The answer, helicoil. So drill that out, then, well, maybe run this guy down in there. Yeah, that was barely any resistance. Okay. That's about all the further we had to go, I think. I'm going to go ahead and assume, like a lot of you, I am not rich. The tool to actually thread this thing in here, it was significantly more expensive than it should be. And it's threading in, so it's not a big deal. Put a little bit of Loctite on it, break that bottom piece off, and see if we can get some engagement. There we go. Ow, it's still hot. Okay, threw it back together real quick. Everything's tightened down, but let's start it up and see if it does anything different. Uh-oh. You all right? Oh, it's got a little boo-boo. You're fine.